Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. I'm Austin. I'm in the UK and it's raining. What would you expect? So excuse the wind noise and the rain on the camera if there is any. So this here is my side repeater indicator or blinker or turn signal wherever you are in the world. This is the 2016 Renault Traffic Business side repeater indicator. So to remove these, the actual Haynes manual from the slightly earlier models with a similar design of indicators suggested using a flathead screwdriver to remove it. I personally don't want to stick anything metallic near my paint and cause any damage. My van is in immaculate condition and I don't wish to degrade that even more. So I've got two old loyalty cards, in this case Nectar cards, that have sanded down so they're slightly tapered with a feathered edge so they're not so sharp on them, and I'm just going to try to pop it in. So I've got one in there, and just like that I've actually managed to release the lamp itself. So to give you an idea, excuse all the dirt, so to give you an idea, the rear of the actual lamp assembly has two spring clips on it, so one far left, one far right, and when you slide your card in, you're invariably pushing in the ears, which are located where my finger is. It's very hard to see, unfortunately GoPros don't like to focus, but I'll bring the camera in for you slightly. So there's the lens assembly. We've got a tab here and a tab there, and the lens goes in this orientation. So if you get yourself two loyalty cards, or go to a post office or a convenience shop where they've got those lottery for life cards, you can quite happily go and pick up two of those. Because you aren't playing the lottery, you don't really need to buy the cards. So you get two plastic loyalty cards, rub them down just so they're slightly tapered, or make sure they're clean. It is actually easier to do this when the vehicle is wet, as it is in the rain now, because I've got less friction on sliding the cards in. So all I did, and I'll try to recreate this for you. The lens assembly is back in place. I've got my loyalty card. I'm going to slide it in from the top, and I'm going to work it around to the side of the lamp like so. And you can do the same with another one. And just like that, you're able to get the lens assembly out. I wouldn't recommend using a screwdriver, as the Haynes manual is published at some point. My van being a 2016 model, Haynes have stopped making manuals for this, but you can download other manuals for about £39, but I've never really needed one. And then to change the actual bulb, you need to just twist it and turn it and take it out like so. I don't want to do that at the moment because it's soaking wet, and I don't want to lose the actual wiring loom inside the inner wing. But that is how you remove the indicator side repeater assembly on a Renault Traffic van 2016 or earlier or later models. They should be the same, but I hope this video helps you. Subscribe to the channel, help it grow, give it your support, press the bell icon for notifications when new videos are published. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it. If you haven't enjoyed it, give it a thumbs down. Either way, your interaction helps the YouTube algorithms. Leave a comment below, share it with your friends in the wider community, maybe some Renault traffic forums. It may help others. But I'm Austin, you've been watching AW Services. Thank you very much for your time.